Hi, I'm Angela from Fine & Country and you join me today at this beautiful bay-fronted Victorian property in the heart of Kenilworth. The current owners have extensively updated the property with a brand new kitchen, bathroom, new gas boiler and even a basement conversion. So if you're looking for a property you can simply move into and enjoy the space, this could be the home for you. Follow me and let's take a look inside. I hope you've enjoyed the tour of this wonderful home. If you'd like any further details or would like to arrange a viewing, please contact me on the details that follow.